This video is sponsored by Intel. Hey, what's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here, checking in again for the 2018 Extreme Rig Challenge. And this is a competition of some of the top PC builders in the world trying to make the most extreme, powerful gaming rig that they can dream up. And you can actually follow the competition and have a good chance to win some awesome prizes. So if you missed my unboxing video showing some of the components that these PC builders are going to be using, here's a look back at that video. All right, so that was just a quick look back, but if you do want to watch the entire video, I'll leave the link down below in the description of this video. But anyway, this competition is off to a pretty good start. Right now, they're at stage 1, which is all about power. And this one is going to be highlighting the motherboard they're going to be using, which is the ASUS ROG Strix X299-XE gaming motherboard, which is being provided by Intel and ASUS. So this thing has plenty of slots for everything that you need. It has enough things to give them a lot of room to play around with. And the great thing is that you can go to rigchallenge.intel.com and you can follow along this entire competition. And each one of them have uploaded some videos where you can actually watch them and see them kick off their own builds. And it's pretty cool just to be able to see the builders in their own element and really kind of start to talk about where their focus is going to be this year for this competition. You can see the direction that they're going, and you can go ahead and get a good sense about which one you're going to be rooting for to win the competition. And so after this stage, there will be 2 more stages, but if you already have a sense of who you want to vote for, you can go ahead and do that just by tweeting out the Twitter handle for that particular PC builder and also the hashtag Intel Rig Challenge. And then you're automatically put in your vote, and also you automatically enter in to win some awesome giveaways, which include the chance to win an Oculus Rift and also to win one of the final builds that one of these PC builders makes. So that's a pretty good prize, and I myself want to win that, but I can't, of course, because I'm a judge. But anyway, this challenge is off to a pretty good start, and I'm going to be keeping you up to date on this as we go along. So right now, guys, check out all the links that I talked about down below in the description box of this video, including the Amazon link at amazon.com/Intel Rig Challenge, where you can get really good deals and good offers on PC parts and pre-built computers. And the most important link, of course, is going to be rigchallenge.intel.com. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think about this competition so far by leaving your comment down below as well. And like always, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you later. Peace.